Come call this one home. 3-bed, 1-bath ranch with apartment over the garage, which could be an awesome mother-in-law suite. No hoa. Can have boats/campers. Ramp on front of the house. Wood floors, bedroom west/wood floor under carpet. Living room open to dining room, which is off the kitchen. Kitchen with granite counters, updated sink/faucet, all appliances included, washer/dryer, newer windows, encapsulated crawl, extra attic insulation. Amazing screened in back porch/deck in addition to paved patio. Renovated bath, updated electrical panel west/some new outlets, roof 2 to 3 years old, both water heaters 1 year old, large shed. Apartment over detached garage to include exterior stairs/porch, family room, eat-in kitchen, full bath, 1 bedroom west/walk-in closet, laminate flooring, apartment to include second set of washer/dryer and appliances including gas range, tons of attic storage. Window